Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail Guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail attachment upload failed issues. Whether you're trying to send documents, images, videos, or other files, and the upload keeps failing, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. File uploads require a stable connection, and interruptions during the upload process can cause Proton Mail to display an attachment upload failed error. Next, verify the size of the file you're trying to upload. If the attachment exceeds Proton Mail's allowed size limits, the upload may fail automatically. Consider compressing the file or splitting it into smaller parts if necessary, up or to the file itself. If none of these solutions work, contact Proton Mail support and provide details about the file type, file size, device, browser, and any error messages you're receiving. And that's how to fix Proton Mail attachment upload failed issues. By checking your connection, file size, browser settings, storage availability, and application updates, you can solve most attachment upload problems and send your emails successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.